Everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. We are going to start activity 3.6. Take an artificial synthetic silk thread and a pure silk thread. Burn these threads carefully. Did you notice any difference in the smell while burning? Now burn a woolen fiber carefully. Did it smell like burning of artificial silk or that of pure silk? Can you explain why? So we have to do in this can artificial or you can say synthetic silk thread and a pure silk thread, and then we have to burn these threads very carefully. So then we have to notice that is there any difference in the smell while we burn these two. Now burn a woolen fiber carefully. Did it burning of artificial silk or that of pure silk? So we have to explain, and we have to explain the reason also. So to remember when the cocoon stage is reached in the life history of the silk moth, try the following activity. So we have another activity, that is 3.7. So let's read it first. Photocopy figure 3.9. Cut out pictures of the stages of the life history of the silk moth and paste them on pieces of cardboard or chart paper. Jumble them now. Try and arrange the stages in the correct sequence in a cyclic form. Whoever does it fastest wins. You may also describe the life history in your own words. Write it down in your scrapbook. So we have to cut the pictures of the stages of the life history of silk moth, and you have to paste them on the cardboard or chart paper, and then to jumble them. So we have to arrange the stages in the correct sequence in cyclic form. So now just say the figure 3.9. So, while seeing the figure 3.9, you can go through the activity. Now we have the blue box just below this paragraph. In India, women are significantly involved in various kinds of industries related to silk production. These are rearing of silkworms, reeling of silk from cocoons, and processing of raw silk into fabrics. By their enterprise, they contribute to the nation's economy. China leads the world in silk production. India also ranks among the leading silk producing countries. So now in this we have that India women are significantly involved in various kinds of industries that is related to silk. Now we have the rearing of silkworms, then reeling of silk, etc., etc. So their enterprise, they contribute to the nation's economy, and China leads the world in silk production. So that's it for this video. Now we are starting the next topic in the next video. Till then, you just go through these activities that we have discussed today, and just read out these blue box and try to understand it carefully.